Today is going to be interesting. Over the past 3 or 4 months, I have really been considering opening a brick and mortar store. And I know it does not make sense, but something inside of me is just pushing me towards opening up a physical store. And I know we gotta start planning for, past this pandemic and how things are gonna be, who knows, right? But I'm excited at playing around with this idea of opening up this shop. Not only for a place where people can come buy my goods, but a workshop. So today I'm on my way to a place in the city that I currently live, and I'm gonna be checking out this really cool, awesome textile factory that once was an old mill. When I first started Leathercraft 5 years ago, there was a store in there that sold a whole bunch of different textiles like cotton, canvas, different types of material, and they had this scrap bin full of leather. I had no idea what kind of leather I was getting into or what leather to buy, so I just started rummaging through there and just trying to pull out the coolest looking leather I could find. That business moved out, and now this place is going to be developed into this really cool spot where there are gonna be a whole bunch of stores, restaurants, some really cool artisanal feel and vibe and just old school textile goodness. So I have the opportunity to maybe start thinking about renting a spot there. And so if I can get this spot, who knows? I have no idea. This is just a vlog showing where I am at and how I start to think about my business. But if I can come get a spot here, it would be full circle, right back to where I bought my first piece of leather. And I think that would be pretty cool. So if you guys are ready for it, let's go.
Hey, look at that, there's a crown. Must be a sign. Or maybe competition, not sure.
So like I said, this is the building where I bought my first piece of leather from, and way back 5 years ago. This is kind of trippy coming back down memory lane. Wow, there it is. Through those doors is where I first bought my first piece of leather, and now it's all shut down. It's all closed, but this building has so much potential. It's gonna be all redone. It's gonna be all nicely developed. This place is crazy.
This building goes really far. It wraps all the way down that way, comes this way, and then also this part too as well.
So the 2 cottages over here, one of them would be suitable for my business as a workshop and as a gallery or a store, and that's gonna be pretty exciting. I saw the floor plans and I'm stoked because there's a lot of potential. But COVID, pandemic, changes a lot of things, but I still got that feeling, that gut feeling that I should be getting a brick and mortar store. What do you guys think about that?
So this little area in the front, the door where it's gonna be cut, and it's gonna be open and hollowed out, so it's gonna be a little bit of a courtyard in there. And then to the left, there'll be a unit, to the right will be a unit, so this would be potentially Little King Goods here, and then over there would be the workshop.
I mean, at this time, it's so unpredictable, but it could be a good thing. Let me know what you think. Love to hear your thoughts.
I think these are some of the old textiles that were made here. Some sort of thread or string. Really cool. There's boxes and boxes of them over here. So cool. Such a cool environment. Look at this. Rows and rows of columns, structural support. I think it's awesome.
It almost feels like you could shoot a music video in here for sure. I mean, back in the day when I was playing in bands, this would be the perfect spot. Check it out. I could spend all day here. Man, everything here is just so industrial. I love it. I keep saying that, and that's probably really annoying, but check it out.
The floors are just so old. Imagine all the stuff that went on in here during the Industrial Revolution. So cool. Like all this stuff, what does it even do? Man.
Wow, this place is gnarly, crazy. It's so industrial, so old school, very, very dirty, but such a cool old textile feel. You can almost feel like what the workers would have been experiencing back in the day when they were here. It's got so much history to it. This spot that we're in right now would not be my final destination. There are a couple cottages that I showed you earlier that would probably be turned into the LKG workshop and store, or maybe in this main building downstairs. That could also be an option, but I thought it'd be cool just to kind of show you what I'm experiencing in these days right now and how I'm planning on growing the brand. And I think it'd be a cool story just to kind of look back on and see where I was during these times, in these crazy times, the pandemic and stuff. So let me know what you guys think. I think it's fun. Let's go explore some more. Let's do it. So before I go home, there's one last stop I have to go, and that is to my good buddy Eric. Eric's awesome. I spoke at the Galt Collective at Creative Cluster last year. Wow, it's loud. These pants have holes in them, so whenever I put my keys in them, they fall down to my ankles. Eric's a great guy. He just got a new desk set up, and I'm dropping off a desk mat for him. So let's do this. Safety first. Safety first. There's the man. What's up, buddy?
Good.
How you doing?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too. Sorry, that was awkward.
There we go, whatever. It's always awkward right now. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too, man.
How are things?
Good.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. So this is the Galt Collective, or is it Creative Cluster?
Galt Collective is the space, and then we host Creative Cluster here.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is the man. This is the man. If you're ever in Galt, man, this is where you gotta come. Galt Collective.
No, you were our last Creative Cluster speaker, actually.
Really?
Rave reviews, absolutely.
Oh my gosh, I feel so honored.
Come on in.
I want to see this new setup you got going on here.
Yeah. So beautiful space.
Love the vibe in here, man. If anybody knows what they're talking about, this guy does.
About what?
He knows a lot about a lot of things. So no, this is cool. He started small, and then he's,
Trying.
gradually came into this place, man.
Trying. Yeah.
Such a cool spot, cool creative spot. But anyway,
Dude.
this is for you, man. This is
Come on.
just because you're such a good
Dreaming
good friend.
about this thing.
Let's see what it is. I don't know what it is.
Look at this. Boys.
Fresh off the press this morning.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So that's the real deal, man.
Dude. That is incredible.
Hope it fits. Hope it's the right size.
Let's check it out.
All right.
Man.
Let's put it. Let's go to your office.
Look at that.
It's legit.
Look at that.
Smell. That smell though, man.
Dude, I got mine from Amazon. And it looks it. Look at that. Oh, baby. That with the white tops?
All right, let's go see this. I want to see how it fits. Oh yeah, it's got a good contrast. Hey, a creative mind is never a clean desk, man. It's almost like it was meant.
Snap. Look at that. Perfect.
You're gonna be so much more productive now.
So much more. The smell. Smells real. Like a cow?
It's 100% vegan cows.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're vegan cows, so it's good.
Oh man, that is perfect.
The long life.
That is fantastic, man.
Awesome. And you got a desk mat too? Is this the Amazon?
This is the Amazon. Yeah, it has the Chinese brand written right on the front.
Oh, it looks nice. At least they got their branding on the top. There you have it, guys. The Galt Collective. Thank you, Eric. Hope you enjoy that desk mat. You're the man. And if you guys ever, are on Instagram, which I know all of you guys are, go check out Galt Collective. Go check out Lucid Media. This guy.
Thank you.
He cranks out some amazing stuff along with his team. Tim and Anthony.
Love it. Cool, bro.
Love you, brother.
Thank you.
Take care.
Cheers. Peace.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
All right, time to go home, guys. Time to get something to eat. It's been a while since I ate something, so I think we're gonna end it here. Love you all. Keep safe. God bless. And I'm walking into the light again. Peace.